Welcome back, Buy Smart fam. Today, we're diving into the world of 3D printers with a comparison between the Monochrome Ender 3v2 Neo and the ELEGOO Saturn 312K MSLA. Let's see which one comes out on top. First up, let's talk about the price. The Ender 3v2 Neo is priced at $199, making it a budget-friendly option. Reviewers love its affordability, especially for beginners who are just getting into 3D printing. On the other hand, the ELEGOO Saturn 3 costs $399. While it's pricier, many users feel the extra cost is justified by its advanced features and high-quality prints. Ease of assembly is crucial, especially for beginners. The Ender 3v2 Neo is practically plug-and-play, with just 3 steps to get started. Reviewers appreciate its straightforward assembly, often mentioning that even those new to 3D printing can set it up with ease. In contrast, the Saturn 3 doesn't emphasize ease of assembly, which might be challenging for some users. However, once set up, it offers excellent performance. Bed leveling can make or break your 3D printing experience. The Ender 3v2 Neo comes with CR Touch Auto Bed Leveling, which users find extremely convenient for achieving perfect prints. Meanwhile, the Saturn 3 requires manual leveling, which some reviewers feel is a bit outdated and cumbersome. When it comes to user interface, the Ender 3v2 Neo features a 4.3-inch UI with model previews, making it user-friendly and easy to navigate. Reviewers appreciate this feature, especially those who are new to 3D printing. The Saturn 3, on the other hand, uses the VoxelDance Tango slicing software, which is highly praised for its advanced capabilities, but may have a steeper learning curve. Let's discuss build plates. The Ender 3v2 Neo comes with a PC Spring steel magnetic build plate, which users find very convenient for removing prints. The Saturn 3 features a laser-carved platform that provides super strong adhesion, which is great for high-quality prints, but may be a bit challenging when it comes to removing them. Printing speed and quality are essential factors. The Saturn 3, with its 12K LCD screen and COB UV light source, is extremely fast and produces high-quality prints, according to many reviewers. The Ender 3v2 Neo may not be as fast, but it offers reliable and steady print quality, which many users find satisfactory for its price. Noise levels can be a deal-breaker for some. The Ender 3v2 Neo features a silent motherboard, making it a quieter option, which is highly appreciated by users who print in shared spaces. The Saturn 3, however, has been noted by some reviewers to be noisier, which could be a downside if you need a quieter environment. After-sales service can significantly impact your overall experience. The Saturn 3 is praised for its responsive customer service, with many users reporting quick resolutions to their issues. The Ender 3v2 Neo, however, has mixed reviews in this area, with some users struggling to get timely support. Overall, the Monochrome Ender 3v2 Neo is highly recommended by reviewers for its affordability, ease of use, and quiet operation. However, it may require some patience and learning, especially for beginners. The ELEGOO Saturn 3 is praised for its high speed, high-quality prints, and excellent customer service, but it comes at a higher price and may be noisier. So there you have it. The Monochrome Ender 3v2 Neo is a budget-friendly, easy-to-use option, while the ELEGOO Saturn 3 offers high-speed, high-resolution prints with excellent customer service. Which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more product comparisons. Product links are in the description. Stay smart, buy smart,